Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I have a hygiene haul for you. So I have some things from Ulta, Walmart, and Marshalls. So if you want to see what I've added to my already huge collection, keep on watching. Okay, so first I will go over what I got from Ulta. So Tree Hut came out with a new foaming gel wash, and they also have this at Target, but they have some things that are Ulta exclusives. And I like shopping. Ulta can tend to be a little more expensive with Target than Target, but you get points at Ulta, and like things like Tree Hut, usually they have like a little coupon. So I had a 10 off of 50 coupon, which brought them to really close to the price that these are sold at Target. And also, some of these are only at Ulta. So I got watermelon, pineapple, cocoa colada, strawberry, and then the Tropic Glow. I didn't realize that that was shimmery, so we'll see how I like that. Hopefully, it's not like glitter, and because I don't really like glitter on my body like that, but we'll see. So, haven't tried these out. Literally, just they just came in the mail, were delivered yesterday, and I'm recording it now. I like Tree Hut. I love their scrubs. I also really like their shave oil. So, and I have their shave oil in the that lime one, which I really like, and then I also have the Tropic Glow, and I'm actually planning on getting the watermelon one when I run out of the one I'm using now, which is the lime one. So that's what I grabbed from Ulta. Okay, so next I got these Olay body washes, and I got them from Walmart. So the two on the end are part of their Black History Month collection artist series. But I think, and I'm not sure, but I think they are normally round but in a different packaging. But don't quote me on that. These are the first Olay body washes I've had in a while and in this type of packaging ever. So I got the Fearless Artist Series, Ceramide with vanilla bean, and then I got sugar and cocoa butter. I like it. It's not super sweet, so I liked that. It's not like sugar cookie from Bath and Body Works or Native, but it's nice. I like it. Then I got the Himalayan salt and pink grapefruit. I like this. It's a nice, soft grapefruit, and I like grapefruit body washes. So I smelled that, and that smelled good. And then the last one is cocoa butter and manuka honey, which smelled really good. So these are the four Olay body washes that I got from Walmart. And I just got a couple of scrubs and a bar soap. So I will show you that really quickly. Okay, so Dove came out with the cherry and chia milk bar soap, and I got that at Walmart. They had a 4 pack. I don't need any bar soap, but I don't have any. I have Japanese cherry blossom, but I think that's the only cherry bar soap I have. So grab the 4 pack, and then also from Walmart, I got the pineapple shea sugar scrub from Tree Hut. I love Tree Hut sugar scrubs; they're amazing. Um, and then at Marshall's, I grabbed these two watermelon scrubs, the watermelon and raspberry, and then the watermelon exfoliating sugar. Unfortunately, I got home and realized there's like a slow leak in this one. That's why there's a paper towel under it. So I got to find something to transfer that in because I don't want it leaking everywhere. And yeah, so that's a little annoying. But so those are the sugar scrubs and bar soap that I got. Okay, guys, so that is it for my hygiene haul. I need to keep my butt out of the stores. So I am going to focus on, continuing to use up some products that I have. And when I get a big enough kind of bag, I will do an empties video to show you what I've gone through. And I do have a fragrance haul coming up. I know. But so I'll have that up, and then we're going to take a little break in the name of my wallet. But as always, thanks so much for watching. If you've used any of these body washes, let me know what you think. I like Olay. Like I said, I in general, I just haven't bought this line, but I haven't had anything from Olay that I haven't liked, so I'm sure I'll like those. Tree Hut as a brand in general, I tend to like what they put out, so I can't imagine I won't like these body washes, except for if that Tropic Glow has actual glitter. It kind of looks like it's just shimmer, but we'll see. You know, you never know. And scrubs, especially Tree Hut scrubs, are amazing. So that's just the pineapple scent. I've had it before, I just hadn't had it in a while, so I saw it and grabbed it. So anyway, again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys at the next one. Bye.